Here's the next day from the big storm. Driveway's nice and clean. That's where the lawn starts. So we have 1.5 meters of snow piled up. Plows have been by. Got a little warm, so a lot of stuff melted that was just skimmed on the top from this. This is my street. Where's all that global warming they keep talking about? It's just a big money grab. It's fake, it's phony. The biggest ripoff in the world. And this is my street. This is what's going on. Yeah, everyone's lawn is covered in the snow. That's a lot of snow. And we have a full moon tonight. And that's what's going on here in the beaches of Toronto. Oh, I took the last of my antibiotics today. I've been sick for 3 weeks with double pneumonia. And I actually went to work on Monday. I was supposed to spend the week, but I couldn't. There's no way I could come back. I struggled through that day. And I was doing carpentry. I was building a set that one day. And that was it for me. Anyway, have a great evening. Wyatt over, never out.